Welcome back to Food and Nutrition Expert Channel. Today, I'm revealing the powerful health benefits of lemon and the right way to eat lemon without damaging your teeth. If you've been eating lemon the wrong way, this video will change everything. Health benefits of lemon juice. Number 1, lemon juice boosts immunity. Lemon is packed with vitamin C that strengthens your immune system, protects you from infections, and keeps your body refreshed. Number 2, health benefits of lemon juice. It supports digestion. Drinking warm lemon water helps reduce bloating, indigestion, and constipation. It gently wakes up your digestive system every morning. Number 3, health benefits of lemon juice. It promotes healthy skin. Because of its antioxidants and vitamin C, lemon brightens the skin, reduces dark spots, and supports collagen production in your body. Number 4, health benefits of lemon juice. It aids weight management. The fiber in lemon, especially the pulp, helps control appetite and reduce cravings. Number 5, health benefits of lemon juice. It detoxifies the body. Lemon helps your liver remove toxins, leaving you feeling lighter and energized. Number 6, health benefits of eating lemon. It improves heart health. The potassium and vitamin C content helps regulate blood pressure and supports heart function. Now, how to eat lemon safely to protect your teeth. How do you eat lemon to protect your teeth? You know, so many people don't know that eating lemon wrongly can damage your teeth. Now we need to learn how to protect our teeth even though we eat lemon. You know, lemon can damage the enamel of our teeth if we eat it without caution. Then number 1 way of eating lemon safely to protect your teeth is dilute lemon juice in water. Always mix lemon with water. Squeeze half a lemon into 1 cup of water. This reduces acidity and protects your teeth. Number 2, use a straw. Drink lemon water through a straw to reduce direct contact with your teeth. What I mean now, after adding that half lemon into a cup of water, you can use a straw and drink it. Number 3 way of eating lemon juice without damaging your teeth. Number 3, rinse after drinking. Rinse your mouth with plain water after taking lemon. Don't brush immediately. Wait at least 30 minutes because if you brush immediately, your teeth gum is already soft. The toothbrush might give you some wounds in your mouth. So you have to wait for some time and then before you brush. Number 4 way of eating lemon without damaging your teeth. That's a safe way of taking lemon. Eat lemon with food. Add lemon to salads, fish, vegetables, pepper soup, and tea. Eating with food reduces acid effects. Number 5, avoid chewing lemon. Never chew lemon slices. Never chew lemon slices or suck on lemon. It wears down the enamel of your teeth and it can damage your teeth. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with someone who loves lemon, and subscribe for more practical nutrition tips. See you in the next video.